Khrystal and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational video. If you are new here, hey, hi, and hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video we're going to be doing an affordable DIY laundry sign. For this DIY project, you are going to need a piece of wood. I chose a piece that was 34 inches by 5 inches. I also sanded the wood down and filled the holes with spackle. You're also going to need a flat surface to work on. Then you're going to need paint, any paint of your choice. I chose to use Waverly chalk paint. It's a matte finish and the color is white. You're also going to need some Mod Podge. This is going to help seal your sign when you're finished. You need 2 different paint brushes, one for your paint and one for your Mod Podge. Second coat of Mod Podge had dried, I did a quick touch test just to make sure that everything was dry before I applied my wall stickers. I picked up 4 different stickers. I got 3 from Dollar Tree and this last one here is from Walmart. Out of the 4 that I picked up, I decided to go ahead and just use 2 that I got from Dollar Tree. I used all the stickers on this first one. They said wash, dry, fold, and repeat. And then on the second one, I just used the word laundry room. Now that I've applied my stickers, I'm going to take my Mod Podge and go in for another coat on my sign. This is going to ensure that the stickers stay on my laundry room sign, as well as making it to where I'm able to clean it. Make sure there aren't any bubbles underneath your stickers before you add your Mod Podge. You can add as many coats of Mod Podge as you want, depending on how much your sign is going to be handled. And make sure you allow 45 minutes of dry time in between each coat of Mod Podge. Okay everyone, that's all I have for today's video. If you like videos like this, please go ahead and hit that like button and leave me a comment down below just to say hey. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It would mean so much to me to have you join the family, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!